Is gentglam.com the latest hidden gem for online fashion lovers? Or just another too-good-to-be-true scam site preying on unsuspecting shoppers? This website presents itself as a trendy destination for affordable accessories, footwear, tops, and more, all with eye-catching designs and tempting discounts that make it hard to resist. But when something looks this good, it's worth digging deeper, and that's exactly what we did. First off, the domain was only registered in November 2024, which means the website is still very new and lacks a proven track record, a red flag when it comes to online shopping. Gentglam boldly claims to be affiliated with organizations like Rainforest Collection and Donors Choose, which could make it seem more trustworthy, but we couldn't find any solid evidence to verify these partnerships. What's even more concerning is that many of the product images showcased on the site appear to be stolen. A reverse image search reveals they've been lifted from various other online stores, which brings the authenticity of their product inventory into question. Another issue is the complete lack of a social media presence. In today's world, legitimate online retailers use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to build trust and engage with customers. Gentglam doesn't show up anywhere. On top of all that, there's only one review on Trustpilot, and unfortunately, it's negative, warning other shoppers to steer clear. While gentglam.com hasn't been officially reported as a scam, there are far too many red flags for it to be considered a reliable or safe place to spend your money. If you're thinking about buying from them, it might be wise to hold off and choose a more established store instead. The risks here just don't seem worth the deal.